here's how we can delete a conversation on the Discord on iPhone. Let's get started. So open up the Discord app and go to your profile where you can find all of the messages right here. Now, you don't have the option to hold down on it and delete it, but what you can do is to open up the chat and tap on the profile picture of that person, then tap on more options, and you'll have the ability to close DM. So this is technically a way of removing or stopping the conversation. So you can remove or delete a conversation on a Discord using this method. Similarly, you can also hold down on the chat and the close DM option will appear and the chat is now gone. So it is really that simple, but it's kind of working a bit different compared to other platforms. So let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. I would really appreciate it to know. Thanks a lot for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel so you never miss the next straight to the point tutorials like this one. And I'm gonna catch you later in the future videos.